Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 17th, 2025, we're analyzing Microsoft, MSFT, stock, combining current news with a deep dive into its charts. We'll explore potential trading opportunities, looking at trends, reversals, support, and resistance levels. First, let's examine the latest headlines. Cramer recently questioned Microsoft's relationship with OpenAI, which could be a concerning factor for some investors. Also, the surge in global AI investments, where Microsoft is projected to be a leader with Amazon with $500 billion by 2025, could influence investor sentiment. It's also important to note market corrections and concerns around trade tariffs that have affected markets recently. Now, let's transition to the charts and see how these events are reflected in MSFT's price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see the overall trend over the past several months. From November 2023 to March 2025, the price has generally trended upwards, but with significant volatility. We need to identify key support and resistance levels to understand potential price movements. Let's zoom in on the more recent price action, starting around late January 2025. We observe a sharp drop in late January, followed by a period of consolidation. This drop aligns with the news of Cramer wondering if the relationship between Microsoft and OpenAI is not as strong as it used to be. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the recent price action around late February 2025. We can observe intraday volatility and potential short-term trading opportunities. Pay attention to the hourly candles for possible reversal patterns and breakout signals. Now, let's switch to the 15-minute chart so we can closely analyze the most recent price action as of today, March 13th, 2025. We see how this has affected the price today. It's essential to look for areas where the price consolidates and then breaks out. These breakouts can often signal a continuation of the trend, so watch for volume spikes as confirmation. A support level is seen around $377 and a resistance near $382. If the price breaks $382, bullish momentum is likely to continue. Otherwise, if $377 is broken, a bearish trend may begin. In summary, key price levels to watch are $377 as a strong support and $382 as near-term resistance. A break above $382 would likely lead to a bullish continuation, targeting higher prices. A break below $377 would suggest further downside to $370, but we'd only predict a greater than 50% confidence if that happens. Remember that this $377 level could likely prove a support. The market's reaction to upcoming economic data and news events, particularly those concerning tariffs and inflation, will be critical. Be prepared to adjust your strategies based on how these factors impact MSFT's price action. Remember to always manage your risk and trade responsibly. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts, and we'll be back with more analysis soon.